You'll learn how to install and configure the Vue router. Next, we'll start by creating application routes. We're going to learn how to manage components and component states using the Vue router directly, and create customizable application layouts using nested routes and named views. Next, you are going to learn how to interact with the Vue router programmatically. So, you could navigate to a specific route directly using JavaScript. In order to add some visual flair to our application, we are going to learn how to add transitions. So, we can animate the changes from one route to another. And you are going to learn how to control the navigation using route guards, so we can protect routes from users who are not authenticated or do not have the right permissions. And finally, we are going to learn how to enable lazy loading, so we download the components only when they are required. We are going to implement all of the above with our Globomantics Nodes and Task Manager application. First, we'll start with an application that does not utilize routing. Next, we are going to install and configure the Vue router with our app and add top-level application routes. You will learn how to add routes and how to handle page not found scenarios. Once our top-level routes have been set up, we are going to add nested routes and learn how to match dynamic route parameters. Next, we'll look into accessing route parameters within our components. Learn how to react to route changes and how to pass parameters directly into our component from our router. Using named views, we are going to learn how to render multiple components in the same route in order to build dynamic application layouts using only our router. Once we have set up our application functionality, we are going to improve the user experience by adding transitions, as well as learn how to save the user's last scrolling position, so when they navigate back to a page, we send them to the position that they were before they left. And finally, we are going to look at using Route Guard to protect routes so only authenticated users can navigate, as well as implement lazy loading to lower the application initial load time. Let's get started.